Welcome back, peeps. You don't know Skeng done link up with him father over. So also we have some topics like the baller OMAR LAING. You see me? We're gonna talk about that. Also Queenie and Dewey fallout situation. So subscribe and like. Alright peeps, so make we kick it off the right and proper way. Skeng done link up over so with him pops, and it's a joy for see what go on. Make sure I share the video with you first so I can see though. The man call him daddy, daddy, and as a ratty gang, fame gang kind of person. Oh, now look for see them something. What is a joy for see the world, reunite thing and all of that, guys. You don't know, we not come for talk about Skeng, but this is first to the media. Anyway, guys, so the baller known as OMAR LAING, you don't know, from the district in West Kingston. I mean, guys, when you don't know what happened, you must celebrate upon his birthday when the Wull shooting happened and thing, guys. And them thing I just make me can't feel safe. I don't trust nobody, people. Right now, I don't even trust myself. So me hear a look at thing differently. Say, crutches him get, shoot over and enough look at thing, but condolence. After Queenie and Dewey fall out, a lot of people have things to say. You see me? And Dr. Love make it clear, say this is just a growing stage for him.
To teach him, because most of these women, them not teach him nothing. So everything that Queenie teach you know, as a young youth, if you just pay attention to it and wise up, you can take that and implement it in a way where you can become stronger, powerful, and the way you need it in a life. Because remember, brother, some of us don't appreciate some people until them gone, We can't get it from them when time them gone, brother. We can't get it from them when they're alive. You see me I say? So if you have a compromise, It's good to compromise sometimes, because when you compromise, it is better to compromise. You cannot use the same mentality that, hold on, let me see, I'm coming here for real. Hold on a minute. There. Yes, Queenie did say it's not a finance thing. But Dewey have to also go there go look him one. Dewey have to go there and look him one. It cannot depend on just the finance what Queenie have if you want to be a man. You have to go there look your own. You have to bring it in, brother, because I'm going to tell you something. Woman come like ice, Them froze and they melt. Right? Them froze and they melt. So therefore, everything can go on good and everything's over tomorrow morning. What you going to do? All who give you advice and somebody else say my friend, them is not a real friend. Them is not a real friend. Right? I am not saying that Queen is the best woman in the world. Because I say, hold on, what the man at show? Yeah. What thing? I didn't say I was coming over there, no? Alright, man. Alright, I'll bring them over there. Me not say Queenie is the best woman in the world. And Queenie is not the best woman in the world, but guess what happened? You don't have to take Queenie for who she is, because she not going to change. And I don't see nothing wrong with what Queenie is doing. Me not going to lie to you. Me not see nothing wrong with Queenie attitude. Yeah, Queenie maybe can change her one or two something, yeah. But you can't expect that Queenie is going to change. So that is who Queenie is. You have to take her what she is, she not going to change. Because yesterday, I see she talked to somebody on the net and somebody said something to her and Queenie said, not a bumper ass lad. No, it not work. It not working. No. I'm a husband. No. It might be in the video too. It don't make sense to tell Queenie because she not going to change. That is how she think and that is what she want. So she had tried to tell us, yo, bumper, well, you know, say, I saw me stay for a long time. So nobody come a friend and come punk out for me right now. Because guess what happened? If you don't want a famous woman, don't look a famous woman. Because you're not going to see another man come in that video, hug up Queen and feel her up and you feel good about it. So you're going to be the man in that video because guess what happened? You already out there already, a young youth, work with it. Right? She's old enough to be his mother and that's... My friend, whoever is, let me tell you something. You see what the problem is. Let me tell you what the problem is. When I love to talk about, this is the biggest problem I have with Queenie and Dewey. I talk about she old enough to be his mother. So first of all, how could Queenie be Dewey mother? Dewey mother go marry to him? Eh? Well, and Dewey mother go sleep with him? Why don't I always come with them fush about he's old enough to be his mother or whatever? That's a problem with Uno, right? Not for Uno sit down and deal with some man because they're a certain age and then treat them like garbage. Right? Uno have to cut out that thing about old enough to be his mother not sleep with him. His mother not feel him up. His mother not married to him. So your conversation don't make no sense right now. That's why him have Queenie, because when mother can't give him, Queenie will give it to him. It doesn't make a difference. Yo, let me tell you this. Me a 40-year-old. Me a 40 now, I'm look older than that. I grew up because when I run a business, I have a hope of stress. Me, a 40-year-old. And when me meet my ex-wife, 10 years older than me. 10 years, me get married to my ex-wife, June 28th, 2007. 2006 or 2007. 2007, me and my ex-wife get married. 10 years older than me. And me a 40 now. Do the maths. And I think me and I get divorced. Let me see. 2003. Let me see. I think at 2000 and... Let me call my ex-wife ask her when me and I get married. When me and I get married. I try to teach you that thing, because some of the people don't get it, you know. They're not going to get it. I call my ex-wife ask her when me and I get married. Call my ex-wife. I ask her when me and I get married. Hello? What's good? You know, I have a quick question. What year did Mia get married? I'm trying to remember.
2003.
2003, right?
I think so.
And we got divorced 2010, right? 2011. Alright, that's something I check. I'll call you back. Thanks. Alright. Me and my ex-wife get married 2003. Me and my ex-wife get married. I mean I get divorced 2011. And when me meet my ex-wife, my ex-wife 10 years older than me. And me I put myself in a Dewey position. And when me meet my ex-wife, and me walk up to her and approach her. And I me start drop the lyrics and drop the word on her, and she has up and me like, you too young for me. I say young for you. I say you don't understand, you know. Young, and me start telling her the things them. And me say me I go and fishing around, because me see the person, I like the person. I wasn't looking for papers and none of that. Right? Yeah, because my ex-wife good. Right? And guess what happened? Me did it, me go check her one day, I go check her and so forth. And she asked me, me tell her, say me at 20 something time, me no reach, me no open in the 20s like that yet. And she work with it, me tell her a lie, say me up in her age. Me never open up in her age. Me never did up in 20 years. So anyway, me and I did it and whatever it is, and when me tell her, say, I think me tell her me at 22 or something, I remember. And she look at me and she said, Stella get her groove back. She said, I feel like Stella get her groove back. I said, well, guess what happened? If you ask Stella get her groove back, when I want to get in the groove. So me tell her, I never forgot. And my sister, me have a sister who actually, the light-skinned girl who come in and Stella get her groove back is my sister. In a real life. Right? When that girl will come and Stella get her groove back is my sister. So me not talk about her, me not start what Stella get her groove back, me I show her my sister and things like that, and did it. And me a young boy, and me start touch up him foot and things like that, and start feel him up and all. Cause me say, me find something me like, you know. Me no want like a young girl. Right? I mean I did it and rate it and get in and things like that. And me say, me like that big woman, you know. Me there so look young girl and me cut them off. And we go and talk till guess what happened now. All of my friend them. Them used to chat back a thing and talk about, yo, she too old for your rate.